In this problem, we are asked to find the exact values of x on the interval from negative pi to pi such that the sine of that angle, x, is equal to the opposite of the square root of 3 over 2. Looking at our unit circle, we would know that the sine of an angle produces a negative value in quadrants 3 and quadrants 4, where sine or the y values are both negative. We would also recognize that our reference angle for both the quadrant 3 and quadrant 4 angle would be given by the sine of that reference angle is equal to a positive square root of 3 over 2, giving us that reference angle of 60 degrees, or pi over 3. Therefore, we are looking for an angle that has a reference angle of pi over 3 in quadrant 1 and quadrant 4. Because we were restricting our intervals from a negative pi to a positive pi, we are going to have to read both the angles in a negative direction. Therefore, we can see that our first angle, our first value of x, can be rewritten as negative pi over 3, and our second quadrant, our second angle in quadrant 3 would be represented as, well, negative pi over 3 and a negative pi over 3, or a negative 2 pi over 3, giving us our two values between negative pi and positive pi, where the sine of that angle is the opposite of the square root of 3 over 2.